Wagwan family, welcome back to another wonderful episode of Mantico Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Man, I've missed you guys. You know, I've been kind of on the grind for the past couple of months with the pandemic thing, boy. I tell you, rough for everybody all around the world. And you know, we just basically try to cope and try to maintain right about now. But you know, forget all about that. So what we are dealing with now is we are dealing with something simple. You know, me kind of kick it off. I know it's been a few months, but we are dealing with it simple today. We are dealing with a nice energy juice. You know what I mean? Sometimes I don't know if you like me, but you know, early morning time, I don't really like eat the heavy breakfast business. You know what I mean? Sometimes I like get something strong and nutritious, but you don't really want to have the heavy stuff behind it. You know what I mean? So if you can get like a nice strong juice, you know, we kind of hold you over until lunch. Me personally, that I might go to, but you know, I know a lot of other people probably out there the same way. So I'll just kind of introduce you to one of my little small recipes here and see if you guys enjoy it, but definitely want to try it. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I'm going. Alright family, so right over here we have the full layout, full spread. Alright, so this is everything we're going to be using today to make our strong back juice. So what we'll do is we'll use 2 ripe bananas, you know, straight organic. We're gonna probably use about half a cup of peanuts. I mean, it's kind of up to you. Me like the ones where I can actually shell myself. You know, it feel more natural to me. But you know, you use whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? Make it easier for yourself. You can buy the one in the bottle. It's totally up to you. We're gonna use about half a cup of oats. If you can get the old-fashioned oats, it's better. Unfortunately, I didn't really have that, so may I use some quick oats, but it's still 100% whole grain. You know, for your liquid base, we are going to use some almond milk with vanilla. You can use whatever kind of you know, nut juice you wanted. If you have a Suppligen, if you want to drop the Suppligen in it, you can do that actually. But unfortunately, me can't really get no access to Suppligen right here, so may I go with my almond juice. I know they have cashew and I know they have this in soy. I mean, I really use too much of the soy business, so I work with the almond right about now. So we have about 32 ounces of that. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're gonna have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then to boost up the energy, we're gonna use 2 of the little bottles of the Pinax ginseng. I mean, you can pick this up anywhere. You can pick this up in your local gas station, Whole Foods store, whatever the case may be. Alright, so that's kind of the layout here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and get everything put in, and we're gonna go ahead and blend and make you guys see how it look. Alright, so check back with me. Alright, so we shell out the peanut them. This is what we have here. Oats. We have 2 banana. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding with stuff them now to the blender. We're gonna throw all this in. Nice and rich, you know. Just like that. Now let me try dropping my heavy stuff them at the bottom. So you're dropping your peanut next. Dropping your oats. I mean, you can do it whatever order you would like, totally up to you. Everything will kind of blend anyway, so go ahead and break up the banana. Nice rich banana. Banana have a lot of potassium, so that's good for your body, you know. Add in my ginseng. If you guys want to add some more sugar to this, totally up to you, but for me, you know, this is totally enough for me, that banana and the almond milk. So half a tea of that, half a tea with cinnamon. And we're gonna do a half a tea of our nutmeg. Alright, so stage is set. What we are going to do now, we'll go ahead and bring this over to the blender. We're going to go ahead and blend this on the puree option. And just make sure everything blend out properly, and then we're gonna be good to go. So let's check back with me here in a minute. Let me show you everything look. Alright family, so blend out everything. Me I tell you the thing tastes good. Excuse me. I mean, it's totally up to you if you want more sugar. For me personally, I don't want a more sweet. The banana sweet and the vanilla almond milk was perfect. Everything kind of set and exactly how I want it. So, you know, it's just a quick, easy breakfast for those who don't like the heavy stuff in the morning, like I said earlier. So, I hope you guys enjoy. And like me always say, one love, more love, righteousness, Montego baby, signing out. Definitely stay tuned for another video. I'll try start my videos or try do it a little bit more often, like every Sunday. I'll try get a video in. Probably won't publish it until Monday, but I'll try get videos them done past Sunday. Try push it out on Monday for you guys going forward, and just try, you know, basically pick up the pace. You know what I mean? Thank you for all my new subscribers. Definitely remember to subscribe. Definitely hit the like button. Definitely share with your family and friends. See? Bless up. Definitely make this cool before you drink it, because when it cool it better. Straight. Straight.